Hey guys, welcome back to our brand new video. In today's video, we'll be heading to Irish Town. Now, Irish Town is one of my favorite places to unwind and reconnect with myself. It's slow paced and laid back, which is different from the vibe in Kingston. So let's visit some of my favorite spots in Irish Town.
If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to die.
So as you can see, I just don't shell down a bad piece of omelette, and you see me a drip of coffee and thing, right? I'm at the Irish Town Cafe and I'm here with the proprietor, and we're gonna talk to her to learn more about her business.
My name is Natoya McQuarrie.
Hi Natoya.
Hi,
Nice to meet you. I'm not gonna lie, the omelette was good.
Thank you.
Okay, and the coffee, chef
Thank you.
kiss. Chef kiss. So tell me how you got started with your business.
It was about, I would say maybe 8 years ago.
8 years.
Yeah, it was just, I had the bar first and I started doing, like after work they were like, no, you need to cook, so I started cooking after work because I just work full time.
Okay.
And then I said that there's a need for space, so I said there's a space. So I said, okay, then why not just set something up here? But then the idea came to me that, well, let's start a coffee shop, because I mean, coffee was a thing, you know, and persons want coffee, and I said, why not? So that's how I just said, okay, let me just capitalize on it. And so I started. Yes, that's what I did.
All right, nice. So I know I'm here for breakfast. Do you also do like lunch and dinner?
Yes, apart from just what you got, I gave you omelette, right?
Yeah,
and
you gave me an
Sin's got the wrap.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I also do Jamaican food. I do like your ackee saltfish, your callaloo, your something of your rundown, corn pork, stuff like liver, stuff like that.
Nice. So you can get your American breakfast and you can get your Jamaican cuisine
Right, but the Jamaican cuisine is normally every Sunday,
every Sunday.
8:30 to 12:30.
Are you open every day?
Yes, I'm open every day, but I would prefer if you call.
Right.
Because persons would request the Jamaican breakfast like during the week, but have to call for that.
Okay.
But during the week, the continental breakfast is definitely
Available.
You get your eggs and stuff
Okay,
during the
awesome.
week. But if you want the Jamaican breakfast, you have to make reservations.
Okay. Okay, great. So you said that they need to call you. How can they find you?
Well, I am in Irish Town, smack in the middle of Irish Town, where the mark that people use is the police sign.
Yes.
Once they get to the Irish Town Square, there's a big sign that says Irish Town Police. I'm right under that sign. You
Yeah.
can't miss it.
Okay. And what's your contact number?
My contact number is 316-0748.
All right. And you're on Instagram as well?
Yes, I'm in Instagram.
What's your Instagram handle?
It's Irish Town Cafe.
Irish Town Cafe. If you want to visit, you have to book before you come. Don't just show up at the place.
It's best to call.
place.
Best
You
to
must call first and let her know what you want for your order so you think can be done.
Right.
And you can just enjoy the view. Listen, the view is amazing. The food is amazing. The vibe is amazing. You definitely want to visit this spot.
Irish Town Cafe is a nice spot that you can get some good Jamaican coffee and get some nice Jamaican food. The space can also be used for engagements and parties, so go ahead and check them out on Instagram. So our next stop on this trip is the Gap Cafe. The Gap Cafe is located near Newcastle in the Blue Mountains. The cafe recently reopened this year, so they have updated their menu and you can find that on Instagram. You can get anything from pizzas, salads, pork chops, soups, tacos. The view and the atmosphere, as you can see in the video, is breathtaking, very spectacular, and the food is just the same. The vibes is a solid 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend.
Everyone
My name is Leo. I come from Italy. I'm 26 years old and I've been living in Jamaica from 6 years now.
Okay, so tell me a little bit more about what you do here.
Well, I'm the operation manager of Kaya and also handles Kaya extracts and Kaya pizza, which are really what made me come here. So since I did cooking school in Italy, I finished school at around 18, 19 and decided to come to Jamaica just to experience something new. And that's where I met the CEO, that he wanted to open a pizzeria in Jamaica along with Kaya, her boss. And that's how I started working with it. Little by little I took more responsibility and now I'm the operation manager of the medicinal operation of Kaya and as well as handling all the other stuff.
Very nice. So I just tried your pizza and I must say it was amazing. And I think other persons would love to try this as well. How can we find you on Instagram?
I have an Instagram page which is Leo Doughboy, which is LeoDoughBwoy, and that's where I am. And also Kaya Pizza, which is our business page, and Kaya.inc, which is the other page.
Okay, awesome. Thank you for talking with me today.
No problem. Thank you for visiting.
Okay.
A special thank you to Harmony Tours. They provided the transportation for this trip. They offer transportation, tours, and travel agent services. So if you're in need of those, you know who to hit up. Their information is on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Bye guys.